Easy-to-learn game offers interactive family fun. Includes 2 upright ladder-shaped targets, 3 blue bolas and 3 red bolas. PVC pipes create target framework, which measures 22 by 26 by 38 inches each. Simple to assemble. Lightweight. Carry case included for easy transport and storage. Designed for 2 to 4 players, suitable for ages 14 and up. Top reviews from the United States. Great for portability. Pretty easy to set up and break down. Because it is so portable, it's not the sturdiest thing. But I've been using it for about a year, taking it to camping weekends and using it in my backyard, and it still goes up and down the same. I did make a small modification, added a scorekeeper. Drew points lines, 0 to 21, a vertica bar on each unit, and sipped on a small child's ponytail holder. It's just the right size to stay where you put it.